Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Rimuru in card fight. Vanguard. First, understand that Rimuru's main strategy revolves around superior calling units from your hand or deck. This allows you to build a strong board quickly and launch multiple attacks. Pay close attention to his specific skills that activate when units are called or when you Soul Blast. Mastering these mechanics is crucial for an effective game. To maximize Rimuru's potential, you'll need specific support cards. Look for units that allow you to superior call other allies, especially those that gain power when called. Cards that help build your soul are also vital, as many of Rimuru's powerful skills require soul blasting. Balancing your deck with these synergistic pieces will create a consistent and aggressive playstyle, leading to more victories. Strategic timing is key when playing Rimuru. Aim to ride him as your vanguard as soon as possible to start applying pressure. Utilize his superior call abilities during your battle phase to surprise your opponent with additional attacks. Remember to manage your hand and soul resources carefully. Knowing when to commit cards and when to save them for defense will significantly improve your win rate with this powerful unit. For advanced play, explore specific combos that leverage Rimuru's unique abilities. Some Grade 1 units can enable even more calls or provide critical boosts. Incorporate cards that allow for countercharging to maintain your resources throughout the game. Practicing these multi-attack sequences will help you consistently deliver high damage. Always observe your opponent's board and adapt your strategy for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.